Hello everyone, welcome back to Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn off sound in Hunting Sniper application using mobile device. If you want to turn off sound effects on your Hunting Sniper application, then the process is quite easy. Simply open your Hunting Sniper app and make sure that you're inside this main homepage. After you are logged in, go ahead and tap on the gear button at the top right hand corner. This will open up the options tab. Click on the game tab on the right hand side and then toggle off the button right next to sound and music. Once the option is disabled and turned red, you'll be able to turn off sound effects and music on your Hunting Sniper application. Now you can get back to your game and play the game without sound. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next episode. Goodbye till then.